In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut until it's white. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!